The world of reality television has always been filled with transformations, but few journeys have captured the attention and hearts of viewers quite like Tammy Slaton's. From her first appearance on TLC's 1000 LB Sisters, Tammy became a lightning rod of discussion, a person whose life story reprised both the struggles and the triumphs of those battling morbid obesity. Over the years, fans have watched her deal with health scares, emotional setbacks, personal drama, and most importantly, a life or death fight to reclaim her health. Now, with her latest reveal, a stunning full-body transformation following major skin removal surgery, Tammy is once again shocking the internet. In a newly released advertisement that features her sleek figure and a newfound glow, Tammy is leaving fans completely in awe. Many are calling it her biggest transformation yet, with countless reactions across social media proclaiming, "What a difference." Tammy's road to this moment has been anything but easy. In the earliest seasons of 1000 LB Sisters, she struggled with weight that exceeded 600 pounds, a body ravaged by years of unhealthy eating patterns, mobility issues, and dangerously low oxygen levels. Doctors often warned her that her time was running out if she didn't make drastic changes. Unlike her sister Amy, who underwent bariatric surgery early in the show and welcomed a healthier lifestyle, Tammy seemed to hit roadblock after roadblock. The frustration from fans was palpable, with many calling her stubborn, defiant, and resistant to change. But what viewers often missed was the depth of her battle: food addiction, depression, and feelings of hopelessness that went beyond simple willpower. The turning point came when Tammy finally entered rehab for her health, a decision that many thought she would never make. The time away from her home, her old environment, and her comfort zones forced her to face the truth of her condition. In rehab, she underwent grueling therapy sessions, both physical and emotional. Slowly but surely, the weight began to melt away. When she qualified for bariatric surgery, fans rejoiced, seeing this as the pivotal moment that could give Tammy a real shot at living longer. The surgery itself was only one step in the long journey. What often gets overlooked in weight loss transformations, especially those of such extreme magnitude, is what comes after. For Tammy, losing hundreds of pounds was only the beginning. The aftermath left her with excess skin hanging from her arms, stomach, thighs, and back, skin that was not only uncomfortable but also posed significant health risks such as infections and rashes. This is where the next chapter of her journey began: full-body skin removal surgery. According to sources close to Tammy, she had long dreamed of this step but knew it was one of the toughest procedures anyone could endure. Skin removal is not simply cosmetic, it is reconstructive, life-changing, and incredibly taxing on the body. The surgeries can take multiple hours, with doctors removing pounds of excess skin and reshaping the body in ways that allow patients to feel comfortable, mobile, and confident for the first time in decades. Now, in a new ad that has taken fans completely by surprise, Tammy Slaton proudly shows off her results. The ad campaign, reportedly for a wellness and lifestyle brand partnering with Tammy to showcase post-surgery transformations, highlights her slimmer frame, smoother skin, and overall healthier appearance. Fans immediately flooded social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter, with reactions that ranged from shock to deep admiration. Many couldn't believe it was the same Tammy they saw just a few years ago, struggling to breathe and confined to her bed. One viral comment summed it up perfectly: "What a difference, she looks like a completely new person." The ad itself is simple yet powerful. Tammy is dressed in a form-fitting outfit that showcases her new figure, moving confidently in front of the camera. Her face, glowing with makeup and framed by styled hair, radiates confidence that viewers hadn't seen from her before. For years, Tammy's public appearances were overshadowed by her insecurities and health limitations. She often wore oversized clothing, sat for long periods due to mobility struggles, and rarely seemed comfortable in her own skin. Now, she exudes a different energy, one that tells fans she is finally living in a body she feels proud of. Medical experts have also weighed in on her results, noting that Tammy's journey is a testament to what can happen when patients not only lose the weight but also follow through with reconstructive surgeries. One surgeon who specializes in bariatric aftercare explained that skin removal can drastically improve quality of life. It's not just about aesthetics. Excess skin can weigh several pounds, make movement difficult, and cause chronic skin infections. Removing it allows patients to fully enjoy the benefits of their weight loss. For Tammy, the benefits are clear. She is walking with greater ease, showing off her body with confidence, and embracing opportunities she never would have dared before. Of course, the emotional impact is just as powerful as the physical one. Longtime fans of 1000 lb Sisters remember Tammy's darker moments, where she seemed ready to give up. Her infamous arguments with family, her health spirals that landed her in the hospital, and her frequent declarations that she was fine the way she was painted a bleak picture. To see her now, smiling in a major advertisement and showing off a healthy body, feels like watching a full circle moment. It is the type of redemption arc that reality television rarely delivers in such a satisfying way. Still, with every transformation comes skepticism. Some fans question whether Tammy will be able to maintain her progress. Others wonder if the newfound spotlight from ads and partnerships will bring fresh stressor that could lead her back into old habits. Reality television has a history of showing individuals at their lowest and then sensationalizing their highs, only for setbacks to play out in later seasons. Supporters, however, argue that Tammy deserves her flowers. After years of ridicule and doubt, she has finally proven to the world, and to herself, that she could change. The timing of this ad is also significant for TLC. 1000 lb Sisters has been at a crossroads in recent seasons, with storylines becoming repetitive and fans questioning how long the show could continue. Tammy's transformation offers producers a chance to pivot the narrative, focusing less on near-death emergencies and more on life after massive weight loss, skin removal, new confidence, and the possibility of Tammy pursuing new ventures, whether in modeling, speaking engagements, or advocacy, give the series a fresh angle. Viewers who may have drifted away are being pulled back in, curious to see how this new version of Tammy will impact the dynamic with her sister Amy and the rest of the family. Beyond television, Tammy's story resonates because it represents hope. In a society where obesity rates continue to climb and countless people feel trapped by their bodies, her transformation is proof that change is possible, no matter how impossible it may seem at the start. Her willingness to share the raw, unglamorous parts of her journey, oxygen tubes, hospital beds, failed diets, makes this moment even more impactful. Unlike celebrity weight loss transformations that often seem distant and unattainable, Tammy's struggle has been public, messy, and relatable. That makes her triumph all the more inspiring. As the internet continues to buzz about the ad, one thing is clear: Tammy Slaton has rewritten her story. The woman once dismissed as too stubborn to change is now being celebrated as a survivor, a fighter, and even a role model. Her glow-up isn't just physical, it's emotional, mental, and deeply symbolic. Fans are not only celebrating her body's transformation but also the strength it took to get there. For now, Tammy seems to be enjoying every second of her newfound attention. She's posting more frequently on social media, engaging with fans, and leaning into the positive energy surrounding her. Whether this momentum leads to new career opportunities, greater fame, or simply a better quality of life, Tammy has already achieved what once seemed impossible. And that, perhaps, is the biggest difference of all. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 lb's YouTube channel for more update news.